you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. And for those of you guys, it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn your notification bells on so that you get access to my videos when I first upload. Today's video is going to be this like calm beat, low-key, high-key, everyday makeup, face sitting or whatever. So this is like my go-to beat. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Oh, whoa, my lips are chapped. Face is peeling. I'm just gonna moisturize my skin with this before I start because this is burning. We're just gonna get started. Let me close the window because it's mad loud. And airplanes is rude. This is very different from my everyday makeup look. My everyday makeup look does not include foundation. It does not include lashes, nothing like that. But I'm gonna be showing you guys my everyday calm beat, okay? So what I like to do is I like to start off by prepping my face, which I've already done. I moisturized my skin with the Nivea cream and Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Then I'm going to prime my skin with the Becca Ever Matte Pore-less Primer. Look where my cheek area is because I have pretty big pores there. And this is kind of a pore filler. I mean, pore-less primer, right? So I also put it on my eyelids. If I'm not wearing foundation, this is what I'll do because I won't be needing like concealer to prime my eyes. Then I'll go into foundation. It's between the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX and the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use today. Let's go with the Can't Stop Won't Stop. Yo, I love this foundation. So usually I just put it on my face like this. Maybe this is a lot of foundation to some of you, but I'm a full coverage girl, so we gonna need a lot of foundation, okay? And then I just take like a flat top kabuki brush and buff that out. Okay. Oh, and I like to take this up over my eyelids because my eyelids are a little pigmented. Boom, baby. So now I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm gonna do my brows off camera. It's gonna take forever. If you guys were wondering what I use, this black gel liner. To clean up my brows, I use the NYX HD concealer in 07. 08 is actually my concealer color, but they didn't have it when I went to go get it, and I really needed it, so I just grabbed the next shade. So fireplace is burning bright. Oh, am I the only one that actually am excited for Christmas? Like, oh, I've not been able to get my eyebrows right for the last few days. Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F18 to contour. Cream contouring for me is an iffy thing when it comes to like a calm beat because I don't really do it. And usually concealers are not dark enough for me to be able to contour with, so that's why I use a foundation. I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. And then this part is iffy too. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, just to clean up underneath. Beauty blender, and I like to leave a little bit of water in here after I clean it, just so that while I'm doing other things on my face it doesn't dry out. And then I'm going to blend out my contour, my cream contour first, and I just like to like brush it up towards my under eye concealer. Like a new bed set and stuff, like new sheets and new pillows, because for the fall pink is just not gonna work for me. Oof, I feel so good. It's so crazy though because I'm not somebody who likes pink. Like my favorite color is black. It's just really weird that my room is pink. Well, pink accents. I had someone tell me that they actually thought when I redid my room that I was gonna do it black. I felt like that would have just been much. And I wanted to start filming in here instead of where I usually film. I wanted my room to be my backdrop. I knew when the lights bounced off the walls, if it was white, it would just be better. I'm gonna go in with the NYX HD concealer, the same one that I used to do my eyebrows, and just go back in just for a little highlight. And then without dipping back into the tube, just gonna use whatever is left everywhere else. This pimple though, like, I don't know who told you. Who the hell is downstairs? Kim. Laura Mercier or Sasha Buttercup. So today a Sasha kind of day. It doesn't really matter usually for my like everyday look. I kind of just wing it and see what I'm feeling. Pour it in the cap. Baby, don't let me down. Got a light on me. You don't hold me. Boy, if I knew how to sing, baby, you'd never hit an end of me. No, ma'am. I'd be singing all day, non-stop.
Period. 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 Period.
Kim, what are you doing?
Just chilling. Oh, you just started?
Like a calm beat every day.
Calm beat. So why are you baking right now?
You don't bake in a calm beat?
It's not a calm beat if you're baking.
That's not true.
Calm beats don't involve baking.
Listen, I bake when I'm doing a calm beat. Just a little bit. But I really only bake under my contour. It kind of chisels it out a little bit. And then I bake my nose, of course, because it needs to be snatched.
This is a cute setup.
Thanks.
Oh my god, I want this. I want you. Turn off the camera.
Freaking creepy. I heard noise and I was like, who the hell's in the house?
Oh,
And I was like, Kim,
I'm gonna go eat.
making good time. What are you eating?
Your mom's food.
I'm gonna use one thing to contour. Usually I'll do the broken up, smashed up Black Radiance powder, but I'm not gonna use that today. I'm gonna use the Film Noir blush by MAC. My MAC Studio Fix powder, NW50. And what I like to do is I like to kind of brush my setting powder off with that powder. And as I'm doing that, I'm still blending up to where my contour is so that it's not like a super harsh line. I'm doing it in circle motions. And then I'll go back in and kind of pack a little bit more powder in. I'm using the Tarte blush in Charisma. Like you guys know, I've said this countless times, like that little shimmer. So it kind of sets the tone for where my highlight is gonna go. And then it gives me like a little shimmer on my cheeks. You feel me? I'm gonna set my face with the I swear my hands have a mind of its own because I wasn't even finished talking. The Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. I was about to say Overnighter Spray. The Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. Maybelline Big Shot Colossal. Ah! 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 I bought some new lashes. Just gonna pick one. I'm gonna choose a lash, put them on, and then I'll be back for my highlight. Ugh. For whatever reason, my camera just decided to stop recording and force closed. But whatever. I'm using my Milani highlighter. Sprayed my brush before I did that. Moving on to the lips. I think I'm gonna pick a dark brown lip pencil. This one is from Kiss. I'm gonna take Honey Love, this like plain nude brown liquid lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the ending look. Real snatched. No, not too much going on, but this is what I would wear like if I was looking for that calm beat type of feel, you know? I'm really feeling it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. I really like it. Don't forget to like this video, comment any video requests that you might have, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Make sure that you put your notification bells on so that you guys get videos when I first upload them, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah.